Pilgrim's Pride, the second largest producer of chicken in the U.S., gave $5 million to Donald Trump's inauguration. That's more than the combined donations of Meta, Amazon, and Apple. In the first quarter of 2025, its parent company, JBS, spent more than $500,000 lobbying the administration. Since then, the companies have benefited from several major policy decisions by the Trump administration. In March, the Securities and Exchange Commission granted its approval for JBS to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. A month later, the Department of Agriculture announced that it would allow meat processing facilities like Pilgrim's Pride to accelerate their line speeds, a long-sought goal of the industry. Studies show that faster line speeds are associated with a lower overall well-being among workers, a greater risk of injury from repetitive movements, and a higher perception of injury risk. In December of 2025, more than 1,000 Haitian workers alleged in a class action lawsuit that JBS subjected them to discriminatory and unsafe working and living conditions. One of the plaintiffs claims that the line moved so quickly he could not unclench his fist from the meat hook, leaving his fingers stuck in a clawing position. Since Trump took office again, the Food Safety and Inspection Service has experienced significant staffing reductions due to voluntary buyouts and a hiring freeze. The administration also took steps to cancel union contracts for many inspectors. The remaining inspectors, many of whom saw their union's contracts terminated, are sometimes reluctant to cite unsafe conditions. A recent series of ICE raids of meatpacking plants across the country have caused panic in immigrant communities, making workers afraid to raise their voices about conditions. JBS did not respond to Capital and Main's request for comment.